Well, good morning. I've been working on boat trailer here for some time, and so today I'm going to start doing some painting. I'll show you the trailer. That's my phone. I got my splitting maul there, doing some rust treatment on it along with some parts of the trailer. Here's the trailer here. You should see some, should be able to put some previous video in here to show you getting it this far. My goal today is possibly to get it back on these axles. And so you can see there's some rust in here. Needs to be treated. Basically, I'm going to just clean the loose stuff off of it and take it from there. I really like my Harbor Freight impact that I bought. It'd be nice if it were battery operated. But it works good with a cord. So. Let's see. I just think I can do a better job. I want to do a really good job, so the next guy that has this trailer should last him the rest of his life. It's a good, solid trailer. Just has a poor paint job on it. Most of these old boat trailers do. This trailer could be reconfigured. The tongue could be made shorter. It's a real long tongue, so it could probably be used on a lot of different boats. Took the bunks off of it, and we'll put those back on. You can see the rust and stuff under here. So I can clean this up good. We'll have a really nice looking trailer. Alrighty, looking pretty good. I was watching my favorite mechanic show the other day on YouTube, which is Vice Grip Garage, and he mentioned a product called let's see, vapor rust. And just so happened the very next day I was going into the Irish parts store, which he's kind of a spokesman for, and I asked the young man if they had any. He says, "No, there's no such thing." And he looked on the rack, and sure enough, there it was. This was all rusted. I'll show you a picture of that later. I don't know how this is coming out on this little camera, but it's part of the distributor. This is the distributor plate. Was very rusted. Soaked it for a little while. I cleaned it off first. Soaked it for a little while, and it looks like it's doing very well. Hey, look at that. All right, I saw you go somewhere, washer. You're hiding from me. Why do they always do that? All right, I'll find it. Good morning, everybody. So today I want to get this boat trailer frame out of the way so that I can start working on the other components of it. Looks pretty heavy. I don't know if I'm gonna move it or not. So if I can clean the heavy rust off, and then I'll put it in a solution. Basically after it comes out there, you can just wipe the rust that's left on it off. I don't know if you see the rust inside there. I can't get in there with that. So I'll just use this little brush to get the loose stuff. It's a little wire brush, about the size of a toothbrush. You can usually buy this kind of stuff at Harbor Freight or so on. I think I bought it at Sam and Jake's probably in Lapeer. I won't grind those edges with that grinder because it's liable to catch, and then I'll have to go put some Band-Aids on, which is normal for my working habits, but not today. Maybe I can wire brush my finger. That'll make me feel better, more like I'm getting something done. Supposed to get smarter as you get older. Some of us just become bigger smart alecks. I'm speaking for myself, not for anybody else. But if the shoe fits, wear it. Okay, I got a lot of these to do. So it's not my intention to make you watch all these. I'll work on these, and when I get to maybe some painting or something like that, then I'll bring you all along again. How's that sound? Oops. It's not going to be perfect, but who knows how old this trailer is, because it was a Sears trailer. I haven't seen a Sears store in a long time. These pieces have all been cleaned off. All the paint was cleaned off them, and they've been primed. Let's see what we can do here. I was hoping I was going to get this done today, but it certainly takes me a lot longer to do things than I think it should. So I took some sheet aluminum, I used it to mask this, so that's masking the rubber roller. This is masking the sides of it. My dog's crying. I gotta go get him. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Shake her a little more. I'm not even sure what this piece is here, but I got it cleaned up, so we'll paint it. And down the holes. Oops. pretty good. Here's the stuff I painted yesterday, and I can see there's some spots that are missed. So yeah, I can see some spots that were missed. So take this stuff out to dry. Try to get it out of the way so that it's not getting all dirty when I'm working on other stuff today. But it's my wife's birthday, so sometime today I'll be taking her out to eat. So here's one I touched up this morning. It's not perfect. But it is what it is. So I'll put it over in the drying area. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied. Matthew 5:6. Okay, let's see. Well, I hope that paint holds up. That's the cheap stuff I bought from Walmart. So I'll get all these pieces. Beautiful day today. It was in the 30s last night, but I'm sure it'll be in the 70s or maybe warmer today. Okay, that's how I hung all these. Thanks for watching, and God bless. So next week, I hope I can show you the finished product, and also we'll try to be doing some sawmilling next week. Got some boards I need to saw for Laura, and need some more for myself. So we'll see you then. God bless.